Who's a big girl sitting in the chair? Oh, don't fall. Oh, you want the camera? Say hi, baby. Hi. No, don't eat. Don't eat the camera. Uh-oh, it's all gone bad. You can't have the camera, honey. You're going to eat it. Would you like a piece of paper? Paper? Don't want no stinking paper. What about Daddy's art card? Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Oh, you're still mad? You don't want that either?